So in Swedish society, people spend a lot of money on the plants and do a lot of work in their gardens. Hi guys, my name is Tabish and you are watching this video on Tashify YouTube channel. Right now I'm in one shop which sells a lot of plants and flowers, and that shop is called Bloomsterlanded. There are two big shops in Sweden. They have shops in every city. It's a big chains is Plantagen and Bloomsterlanded. So I came here to find some flowers to my wife, but I'm gonna show you very quickly how does it look. So let's roll the camera. So here we enter, and here they have some pots. 149. This one is a big plant. I don't even know. Spam. Okay, 29.90. So you can see the prices. I can roll the camera very slowly, so you can see different range. Those who are plant lover, they will understand. I'm new to this world because I mean in the plants world I start gardening like 2 years ago and I'm still learning. It's a lot for me to learn. Then some cactus that I can recognize. So the prices on those are small one is 69, the medium one is 129, and the bigger one is 299. Now we know how much cactus cost. And then we have you will bloom. That is actually really nice. Look at this. See, actually this could be a present to my wife. 149. We go and try to find some roses in there. Then they have this. I mean, you can do a lot. They are really nice. Very quickly, we don't have so much time today, but this is like a lot of them on. It's really nice. What is the price? Citrus 4.99. See, so you can a lot of fruit on it. Look at this, nice. And this is a clementine, also really nice. So when you see that, you think about having a greenhouse at home, a växthus you call it here in Sweden. So then we go. This one is 199. We go a little quicker now. So no, this one is tomatoes, and 199. This is a season right now to plant tomatoes. This is kind of paprika, you see that, and tomatoes, more tomatoes, and this is nice. I love this one. That is nice. 149, and it's already so many on this. You see, I think we should go here for shopping a little bit on the weekend. Not right now because I'm on a different mission right now. So these are really nice. And you can see the price, 3 for 75 crowns. Then there are some fertilizers and some other stuff for your garden and for your plant. You have a lot of pots, you have a lot of gardening accessories, and then on the other side you have a lot of other material for we take a quick look. So in Swedish society, people spend a lot of money on the plants and do a lot of work in their gardens during a summertime, and this is a top peak season for that. And due to Corona, nowadays there are many people are gonna stay home, so they haven't planned any summer vacations to travel into another countries. So this means it will be more and more activity in the gardens. So here you can see these are all outdoor Here you can see there are more outdoor plants here, so it's a huge collection here. You can see that. We cannot go through with everything, but you get an idea. If you're looking for a you call it what soil for your plants, it's 3 for 179, which is a good price. You can also find 5 for 199 crown. Here you can find a lot of seeds. So you have seeds for everything from flowers to vegetables to berries, a lot of seeds. So the price range is from 24 crown to maximum 64 crown. Here is the price range. So it's categorized in 0, A, B, C, D. Here you read if it's C, then the C 49 crown. So now we go to the next section, which is for more of a decoration of your garden. More pots. So it's a big industry here. And nice tulips. That could be a nice present for today, but they are not original. Oh, they are not original. Wow, that looks really original. So Smith Bloom more, there we are going to find some flowers. So this is really nice and they are really fresh. What I mean is that when I look into that shop before, they were not so fresh, so they looks really fresh. These are some nice red roses and I'm going for this. This is nice, I already like it. But I'm gonna show you. Here you can buy already ready bucket and bouquet, what you call it, for anywhere from 299 crown to 79 crown to 229 crown. And 79 crown, you see. And this one is actually really nice, 249 crown, but I need red roses only, red roses. And this one, for example, 199, really nicely done. This can be also nice thing. This one is big one. I can take these, couple of these, but I will go for this one because they are really nice and looks really fresh. So let's take this one, and the price on this one is also very good. Here you can see it's nice and the price is 49 pounds.